Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, now that we learned what join does and what pop does, we're going to learn three more things that we can do with arrays. So for instance, if we do var cars equals car.join, and we do document.write cars, you're going to see that it lists them in the exact order that we have them, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's going to list those right in a row like that. However, if after I join them, or even before I join them rather, if I go car dot reverse, now you're going to notice it flips them and does them in the complete opposite order. So instead of starting at the top, it will start at the bottom. Okay, so that's how you can reverse an array. Now, just like you learned pop, where pop removed things, or removed the very last option from your array, we can add to the end of the array as well by using push. So if we want to add, I don't know, let's do F-150, and then if we wanted to add a second, third, fourth, whatever, you just separate the extra one that you want to add by a comma, and we'll just do F-250 there. So it goes back to listing it in the order that I had it, but now it adds F-150 and F-250. So now that I added those to the end, one more thing we can do is we can sort these in alphabetical order. And it's real simple. It's car.sort. If we save it, we refresh it, now it lists all of these in alphabetical order. And that's that. So that's something real easy you can do. It's something that will come in handy as time goes on, especially when you're pushing things to an array. That's probably going to be, out of those, the push and the sort will probably be the ones that you use the most. But again, it's something that comes in very handy when you use arrays. I mean, arrays in general come in very handy, and it allows you to take what could have otherwise been a lot of code and turn it into a lot less code because you were able to use an array. So please keep just practicing your coding. Practice, the reverse, the push, the sort, and, try to combine that with some things you learned in the other videos. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.